This is continuation of the basic Kannada alphabet series. Today we will be looking at lesson 9. So this is Akshara Vyasa 9. It is on the textbook Savi Kannada grade 1 part 1 and this is page 75. So today let us look at these 5 alphabets. So the first one, this alphabet, it is Gh. So we have already seen G. This is G and this alphabet will be the next. G, G. So you will pronounce this as G. Again, as I had mentioned in lesson 8, if you remember, those alphabets were called as Mahaprana since we have to breathe a little hard to pronounce those alphabets. So similarly, the alphabets of lesson 9, these are also called as, all of these are called as Mahaprana again because we have to stress a little harder to pronounce them. So this is Ga, this will be Gha, Ga, Gha, Ga, Gha. Okay. Then the next one is Ta, Ta. So we have already seen this Ta, Pata, Nata, right? So this is that Ta. So this will be the next Tha. So this is Ta. This will be Tha. Ta, Tha. So this will how you pronounce this as Tha. So this is Tha. Then this is Pa. Okay, so we have already seen this Pa. Then this will be Pa. Okay, Pa, 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 Pa. This is Pa. Again, all these are Mahaprana. Okay, because we have to breathe a little harder, put in a little stress while pronouncing these alphabets. Pa, Pa. Sometimes this is also pronounced as Fa. Okay, it can also be pronounced as Fa. Some people pronounce it as Fa. Okay, so Fa or Pa, anything you can pronounce. But when you're pronouncing it as Pa, stress a little. Pa. Okay, pronounce it as Pa. So Gha, Tha, Pa. Then this is Ja. This is Ja. Okay, this is the Alpa Prana. This one's Mahaprana is this Ja. Ja, Ja. So this is Ja. Ja and Ja. Ja, Ja. Ja, Ja. And this is Kha. So we have already seen this as Ka. This is Ka. This will be Kha. Okay, so Kha. Gha, Tha, Pa, Jha and Kha. So now let us see how to write them. So the base, okay, so we all know how to write Pa. This is how you write Pa, right? This alphabet we have already seen in lesson 3 and this is Pa. Now how do we write Gha? So this is the base. Keeping the Pa as the base, I will tell you how to write Gha. So you write, this is how we write Pa. So for Gha, you have to put a line down at the bottom and a small curve here, like a talekattu, not exactly a talekattu, like a talekattu. So you write Pa, the basic Pa, then put a line down and then put a small curve here, which is somewhat similar to writing a talekattu, but it's not exactly a talekattu. Okay, so you write Pa, then put a line down and put this. So I will explain here with the arrows. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So that is how you write Gha. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is Gha. And in Hindi, it is this Gha. Ka, Gh. That is this. Gh. Then next is ta. Ta is very similar to writing ra. So we write ra, right? This is how we write ra, and just put a dot in the center and this becomes ta. Write ra and put a dot in the center. Remember to put the dot, otherwise this will be read as ra and not ta. So you have to write ra and put a dot in the center. That becomes ta. Let's see how to write it with the arrows. So 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. This is tha. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. So this is tha. Okay, this is tha. In Hindi, tha. Gha, tha. Then pa. Pa is very simple. First you just write a pa and then put a line down. Then this becomes pa. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so that is pa. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is pa. And in Hindi it is this. Pa. And this is jha. So this is also again similar to first writing a ra. Okay, you write a ra, then you put a kombu and you'll have to put 2 kombus here. Okay, you have to put 2 kombus here and then you have to put a line down. This is jha. Okay, so it's similar to writing ra. Okay, write ra, then put a kombu, actually one more, 2 kombus and then one line down. This is jha. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is jha. And it is this in Hindi. And then kha. Kha. So kha is very simple. Like you start off by writing the digit 2, number 2, and then just take it up. So this is kha. So you start stroke 1 and 2. 1 and 2. This is kha. And it is this kha in Hindi. Okay. So gha, tha, pha, jha, kha. Gha, tha, pha, jha, kha. And all these are Mahaprana. Just remember that. Because Mahaprana means you need to stress a little harder while pronouncing them. Now let's look at the words. Ghata, ghata. Ghata, as you can see in the picture, it's a pot. Then jathara, jathara. Jathara means stomach. Then phala, phala, or also you can pronounce it as phala. Phala or phala. It is fruit. I think in Hindi also the word is similar. You say phal. In Hindi, it is phala in Kannada. Then, jhana jhana, jhana jhana, jhana jhana. This is the sound. So again, this is an expression of a sound where it expresses when you shake the coins, the sound that it produces. So, jhana jhana is actually it's not a meaningful word. It's just an expression of sound. Then, khaga. Khaga, khaga. Khaga means a bird. So this is on page 75. Page 76 is just writing practice of the alphabets. And now page 77. So here, aksharagalannu gundagi nakalu madisi means just copy these alphabets. Practice. Again, it's a writing practice. In these 3 lines, you can practice writing them again. Then let's look at the abhyasa. Abhyasa is the exercises. ಈ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸಲು ಹೇಳಿ. clearly these alphabets have to be pronounced. So, ja, tha, ra, jathara. Jathara means stomach. Matha, matha. Matha is a place where all the monks live. You can also take it as a monastery. Hatha, hatha. Hatha means stubbornness, being very firm and stubborn. Pathana, pathana means to recite, reciting some prayers or some slokas. That is pathana. Then thana thana. Thana thana is again an expression of a sound. Where when you bang some things, two vessels together, then this is a sound. Thana thana. Then ghata, ghata is pot. Ghana, ghana means something which is heavy. Ghataka is just a unit. A unit, it can be a group, a single unit of something. Then ogha, ogha is a heap. Phala, fruit. Then phala phala. Again, it's an expression of how something is shining. Then kapha. Kapha is the mucus. When you have a cold, the mucus that comes out of your nose, that is kapha. Then Safala or Saphala. Saphala means success. Success in something. Successful, being successful. Jhala is the glare. Then Khaga is a bird. Khara means something which is hard. Khara means something which is wicked. Nakha, a claw of the bird. Sakha, friend. So Jathara, Matha, Hata, Pathana, Thana Thana, Ghata, Ghana, Ghataka, Ogha, Phala, Phala Phala, Kapha, Saphala, Jhala, Khaga, Khara, Khala, Nakha, Sakha. So these are all the words. And next, you have to identify ಅಡಿಗೆರೆ ಎಳೆದಿರುವ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಲು ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸಲು ಹೇಳಿ. So if you see in these words, there are some alphabets which are underlined. So you have to clearly read the underlined alphabet. So this is tha. Here also it is tha. Gha, gha, fa or pha. Again fa or pha. Then this is jha, kha, kha. So these are the alphabets which are underlined. And now we again have to just write. Again, these are writing practice of the words. We have already seen the meanings of these words. These two are new, for which I will tell you the meaning as we come to that word. Pathana, jathara, thana thana. This is agha. Agha means sorrow. Then Ghataka, Phala or Phala, Safala or Saphala, Phalaka or Phalaka means a board. Phalaka means a board. Then Jhala, Jhana Jhana, Nakha, Sakha. These words already we have seen the meaning in the previous page. So this is the end of lesson 9. Now let us again go back to writing all the alphabets which we have learned so far. So the all the swaras, the vowels we have done. I will list all of them here. A, I, E, U, U, R, E, I, O, O, O. We still haven't seen these two, which we will do in lesson 10. Then now let us look at all the Vyanjanas. So, K, G, Ch, Ch, J, T, D, Dh, N, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, ba, bha, ma. Then ya, ra, la, ba, sha, or you can also write it like this: sha, sha, sa, ha, la. So these were all the alphabets we saw from lesson 1 to 8. Now what we have seen today, let us note down all those alphabets here. So the first one was Gha. So it comes after Ga. Ga, Gha. Then Tha, Tat, Tha. Then Pa, Pa. Then Jha. And then Kha. Okay, so these are all the alphabets which we saw in lesson 9. And now we are left with learning 4 more alphabets which will be covered in lesson 10. And lesson 10 will be the last lesson in the Varnamale series. So when we complete lesson 10, you would have finished learning all the 49 alphabets. So again, I will meet you in lesson 10.